On today's menu, the most amazing salad dressing and a delicious garden salad. There really is no need to buy store-made salad dressing because it is extremely easy to make your own. Check this out. Jar, lemon, salt, pepper, Dijon mustard, olive oil, now the rule is 1/3 acidity, 2/3 oil. And just give it a shake, and that is literally it. Amazing. Red onion. And just slice your onion really thin. Lettuce. Cucumber. Tomato, carrot, olives, now pour over that amazing, simple, incredibly delicious dressing. Simplest salad dressing with an amazing garden salad.